In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a competitive analysis deck using Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I click Create New AI from my dashboard and select the Generate option to start from a prompt. I'll choose the presentation format and adjust my initial card count to 7 cards to keep it focused. Now, I paste in my detailed prompt, which specifies the AI models I want to compare and the exact sections I need included. I click Edit Prompt to fine-tune the settings before the AI begins. In the prompt editor, I set the text amount to concise. Next, I scroll down to the visual section to choose a theme. I'll select the Flax theme for a clean, professional look. I click Generate, and the AI immediately starts building the deck. I can watch in real time as it creates the executive summary, followed by slides for key performance metrics and context window comparisons. It's even generating a detailed pricing and security table, along with a full SWOT analysis for each model. Once the generation is finished, I can go through the slides and start editing or changing the content as I see fit. If I want to refine a specific section, I highlight the text and click the Edit with AI button. I can use the AI agent to improve the writing or make the cards more visual. I'll select the modified version to apply the update. I can also use the toolbar on the right to add images, videos, or extra blocks to further customize the presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a competitive analysis deck with Gamma AI.